In a world full of social inequalities, extreme poverty is a reality for almost 10% of the global population. With no possibility of being accepted for formal employment, these people often depend on charity. What they really want, however, is an opportunity to work, grow, and provide for their families with honor and dignity. With a workforce of over 380,000 employees worldwide, Teleperformance believes that the best, long-lasting action that the company can offer to help the underprivileged reach social inclusion is employment. For this reason, we encourage our teams to promote impact sourcing programs across our global footprint, offering job opportunities to people with limited prospects of employment. In 2020, Teleperformance hired more than 70,000 impact workers. This headcount translates into 70,000 families that are now given a chance to truly transform their lives. For many of these people, joining Teleperformance represents much more than a job. It means finally having hope and the chance of building a brighter future for themselves, their families, and their community. Through impact sourcing, Teleperformance helps pave the way to a better and fairer tomorrow.
So now I want to move on to an exciting part of our program, which is announcing the Business for Refugees Awards. And the number of companies that we have and also their contributions have been enormous, and we're so happy to be able to recognize them. I'll be announcing the first 4 of 5 award-winning companies, and we'll recognize our final winner closer to the end of the program. And the winning companies were selected because they have gone above and beyond in their efforts to integrate refugees, and they've demonstrated outstanding leadership in 1 of 5 key areas. So please join me here virtually in celebrating the winners of TENT's Business for Refugees Awards. Now, for outstanding leadership in integrating refugees into the workforce, the award goes to Teleperformance. For outstanding leadership in supporting refugee entrepreneurs, the award goes to Ben & Jerry's. For outstanding leadership in integrating refugees in the supply chain, the award goes to IKEA. And for outstanding leadership in tailoring products to meet refugees' needs, the award goes to Airbnb. I want to move on to Juan, who is, as I mentioned, with Teleperformance, and congratulations, Juan, for you and your recognition for your work with refugees. Now, you've been recognized for your efforts to hire Venezuelan refugees in Colombia. So to start, tell us a little bit about Teleperformance's operations in Colombia, and also what are the types of positions that you've been hiring for?
Thank you. And as Matthew was saying, this is the result of the effort of many people that we feel so proud that they are working for us. And first, let me tell you that TP is one of the biggest employers, and we see ourselves as a force of good. We can transform the world. This is a company which main product is people, and people from every corner of the planet. So we will continue to serve the major brands of the world with these wonderful people we have. And going to your question of Colombia, yes, as everyone knows, Venezuela has more than 5 million refugees around South America. Almost in every corner in South America, you'll find a Venezuelan family. So like 2015, we started to build a strong network of how can we hire Venezuelans in Colombia. That means getting legal papers to be able to work. That means training these people. That means give them some finance help to get their legality to be able to work. So we started by understanding and getting all these different talents that view life in a different angle, and they will bring you a lot of innovation. The way I see it is these immigrants or refugees have a higher hungry to win spirit than anyone else I've seen. Uh, this is a hungry to win culture. They want to work, they want to create, they want to innovate, they give their heart, they'll help you thrive. There's so many things you can get when you do this type of thing. So we've been not only very happy to adopt them in Colombia as part of the society and bring them to be productive, but it's also very good people. We have embraced them, and they have brought a lot to the family. So that's the way we have been doing it consistently for the last 5 years, and I think we will continue to do so. And fortunately, working with the government and working with other governments in the region, we start to see that all the region is starting to adopt this talent. At the end, when you go to the border between Colombia and Venezuela, there are cities that are shared cities that are separated by a border. It's the same family that's on one side of the border and the family is in the other side of the border. It makes no sense not to adopt them. So we have become a big, we gave them a big regional embrace them, and for sure it will continue to be.
Could you elaborate a little bit more, Juan, on the value that they have brought, the Venezuelan refugees, the value they've brought to your company in the last several years?
Yes, they have brought a lot of passion to give our clients to their brands. They have been a lot of new ways of doing things. They have participated in many innovation forums, All Ideas Matter forums. They are always giving the extra mile for us to do things better. They have been pushing our company to better ways of doing things, doing automation, there's many leaderships that have come from a refugee position. And as I told you, they are so hungry to win. They want to conquer the world, and companies get that energy. And by canalizing it, building, giving them the opportunity, and for sure they'll grab it and really be passionate and help us continue being a better company.
And how do you ensure that when you hire them, how do you ensure that they win, that they succeed? What do you put in place to ensure that success?
First of all, cultural immersion is key. Second, strong training, product training, language training. And if you do that correctly, those two things, cultural immersion and product training, this could take 2 months, 3 months. Then you have someone that's really capable to starting to produce with his self-esteem up. And not only refugees, everyone, by the way. So all of us being well-trained and having our self-esteem up will produce a lot. So giving them support and trust, they will give it back, multiply by thousands. So I think that is what is making the difference for us.
Terrific. Juan, thank you so much. And again, congratulations for your success in integrating refugees into your workforce and your leadership in that area.
Leaving your country, family, friends. Start a new story in a new country with new friends, a new job, a new version of you. Welcome to TP. Teleperformance Colombia.